How do I keep my food forest thriving when the summer heat is this intense? 3 things makes a huge difference. How I water, how I mulch, how I feed my plants. Welcome and welcome back to another Garden with Stacey. I appreciate you all tuning in. I just want to acknowledge your abundant support, and I just want to send abundance of blessings to all of you. One of the things, I water, but not just because I can. I do deep watering. So if you're watering every day and you're not deep watering, you're just watering the surface, then that will not cut it. You probably can't find the time in the evening to do your deep watering. If it's even getting up an hour earlier than you would usually do just to get your deep watering in, trust me, it does pay off. You can continue eating throughout the summer season. So another thing, I mulch. You see this simple layer of mulch that is in the container? It can make a huge difference when the heat is brutal. It helps to hold on to moisture instead of letting the water disappear. It's such a pleasure to be using these grass cuttings or grass clippings as mulch. It has been doing a fantastic job retaining the moisture in the soil, and I think going forward I'm going to use just grass clippings. Yes, so in my opinion, it did make a difference for me and my garden. And you know the good thing about it, it is not just useful in these hot summer months. The fact that we're heading over into a cooler season, we won't have to water as much. Usually for me in the cooler months, I probably water 2 to 3 times per week. So I'm so looking forward to that again. I mean, why not? You know, water alone isn't enough when my plants are producing in this heat. So this is what I give them. Liquid fertilizer made from kitchen scraps. So of course I do fertilize my garden. I try my very best to be consistent. I fertilize my garden every week with this liquid fertilizer, and a lot of you have been asking a lot of questions regarding my liquid fertilizer, how I feed my garden, and you know you want me to go in more details. Definitely look out for that video this weekend. I will be posting and explaining for those who are new and for those who didn't watch my previous videos in its entirety. I'll repeat for you, no problem. All right, so I'll definitely go ahead and do that video for you. Now, right here I have banana water, and I tend to use the banana water especially on my fruiting plants. Yes, I will give my other plants banana water, but I am, you know, more interested in giving the fruiting plants more potassium so that they can go ahead and develop nice fruits. And yeah, so the banana water right here will also be coming in my next video. So whatever questions you have regarding it, how long I have it sit for, um, how often do I use it, everything will be in that video come this weekend. All right, so definitely check it out. You can see how this is looking rich. Yeah, these are only banana peels inside this bucket. No, I've been getting a lot of questions about fighting pests in my garden in the summer months. Well, in truth and in fact, I haven't been getting a lot of pests in my garden, mainly the ants. And the ants is just in the ground. And so that's how they make their way to my containers. But I've been working on that. I've been putting ants powder on the ground so that they don't make it too far, And for some ants nests, I just pour boil water inside it. So I have a little aphids, but not a lot. And I just wash them off. Thankfully, I haven't been having a lot of pest pressure. Look at these callaloo. I'm enjoying my harvests. Yes, so the liquid fertilizer, like I said, made from kitchen scraps, and in all of my containers you will find some type of manure, whether horse, rabbit, or chicken manure. My grapevine is giving me more and more blossoms. We have so much to look forward to. I am just giving you a little glance. And look how the vine is just exploding with growth. Of course, my tomatoes, I think, were the main things that really were, well, no, my tomato and my strawberries were the main things that were really hit by this heat. I realized something, but I cannot say it as yet because I have to prove it. So as soon as I prove it, of course, I'm going to share it with you all because it will not just affect just the summer months, but also the rest of the growing year. But you can see these new ones, tomatoes, that are coming up. They are doing and looking way better. So yes, of course, I am looking forward to tomatoes. These peppercorns, they're getting ready. And yes, I do have dragon fruits still rolling in. Now this one right here, I can tell that it will open tonight.
So, my gardening family, even with the coming weather change or cooler season, being consistent and doing these three things that I mentioned will not just, put less pressure on you as a gardener in your garden, but it will also help your garden to thrive to the best of its ability.
Ribidi bidi bamba dung. Ribidi bidi bamba dum bamba dum bamba dum bamba dum banga dum banga. Jesus love is bubbling over. Jesus love is bubbling over. Jesus love is bubbling over. Hallelujah.